Hello and welcome to another video of our series, 5-minute short explanations about all things to do with lighting, whether that's for airports, maritime facilities or sports venues. Now remember to comment on everything you hear. If you would like to cover a different topic, let us know in the comments below. Likewise, please share this video with anybody who you think will find it useful. And of course, give us all kinds of feedback, positive and negative. We love to hear from you, whatever it is that you think about it. So today I'm going to spend a few minutes to talk to you about our mobile towers. I think this is a fantastic product. In fact, I think it's unique in the market and it solves so many challenges for its users. Now, what is the Midstream mobile tower? It's basically an ability, it's a system that allows you to turn on the lights completely remote locations. So it doesn't need to have a cable, it just needs to have diesel to operate it, and it can run for about 150 hours or more, actually, depending on kind of your usage, and it delivers light in a compliant form specifically to aircraft aprons wherever you need it. So what does that mean? Well, it means that if you have a remote apron, if you have an area that is under construction, if you have an area that needs supplementary lighting because of events, because of VIP aircraft parked there, or because you need to enhance security in a certain area. So this is something that can be moved to any area, and within a space of minutes, it can be illuminating any type of aircraft apron from code C all the way to code F in compliance with ICAO Annex 14. And I think that is a unique proposition in the market. What makes it great? It makes it great that it can be automated. So you can leave it in your isolated stand, in your remote apron, and it'll just come on either through a scheduled time or through a light sensor. So, and when the hours of darkness approach, the machine will illuminate. Now, it sits on a diesel generator with a 8.5 meter, 9 meter hydraulic system. So it goes up to 9 meters and then uses an asymmetric beam from our Master Series luminaires, the M04 range, 4 of those to deliver the light in a very uniform and consistent way across the apron. Why has this been particularly popular with airports? Because it's easy to operate, it's easy to store and move around, it's very easy to maintain. So it's typically a Kubota engine and it can be filled up with, I think, about 200 liters of diesel. And so you can operate it in the hours of darkness for probably about a month without, typical airport operating hours, without refueling. So it's particularly useful for long operations. And it's designed to work in very robust and challenging environments. So whether that's in a kind of a desert setup, or it's in the Nordics, or even up sort of in very icy North European locations. We know it works very well already in probably 20 airports, from Saudi Arabia to the UK to France to Switzerland to Italy. We've got them in the Far East, we've got them in South America, and airports are particularly happy with the flexibility it gives. But one thing it's different from others is that we can provide for you the documents you need to comply with an EASA or an ICAO inspection, to demonstrate that your apron actually is compliant with those requirements. Because the lighting design that we do, we know very well from our master range of floodlights, and then we can provide you documents that guarantee that compliance. So actually, it's for quick compliance, easy maintenance, and you can use it to either supplement, improve, or illuminate new areas. It's a great piece of equipment. Please reach out to us if you'd like to have some more information. You can also download things from our website. And of course, we're always happy to hear from you for comments and feedback on the Midstream mobile tower. Have a good day.